everyone, welcome to Tutors AM, and in this video, we're going to be looking at rationalizing the denominator. So, if you go over to the first principle of calculus, and then you have your limit of x of h approaching 0, and then you notice once you plug in the 0, there's no manipulation that you can do that will not give you an undefined answer. So, it leads you to rationalizing. So, the basic concept of rationalizing comes from sides. So let's say you have been given sorry let's say you've been given 4 over 4 over the root of 3. So you want to rationalize this, so you multiply this by 1. Yeah, that is that easy. You multiply that by 1, and then that is going to be 4 over root 3. And then since we have got 1 and then we are trying to rationalize, what I can simply do is that I can make my root 3 come on top because we are rationalizing the denominator. So that become root 3 over root 3. And then root 3 over root 3 is essentially 1. So there is no mathematical law that we've broken. Yeah, and then now I can multiply this 4 times root 3. That would be 4 root 3. And then root 3 times root 3, that would be root 9. And then we know that the root of 9 is basically 3. So then just like that, we've rationalized. So let's go ahead and try out something different. So let's say we have got 6 over the root of 2. So to save time, I won't do the whole one thing, but we know that that will be basically the root of 2 over the root of 2, and then root 2 by root 2 is 1. 1 times the root of 6 is basically the same. Yeah, so now notice that we have 6. Notice that we have 6 the root of 2 over the root of root 2 by root 2, that is root 4. And then we know that the root of 4 is basically 2. And then notice that 2 is a number and 6 is a number. So 2 into 6, that is 3. The root of 2. Yeah, so that's a basic idea of rationalizing. Yeah, it's pretty easy if you understand the fundamentals. Yeah, but now let's do a complicated question just to get the basic understanding. I'm going to toss a question that is slightly different from what we're doing. So let's say we've got 5. I'm just going to put this in brackets for simplicity's sake. 5 plus 5 plus, and that is 2 the root of 3, and then this is over 2 plus the root of 3. Okay, so if you're rationalizing this one, you're also going to do the same thing, except in this case you have got positive, so that positive will change and then it go to negative. So we're going to be essentially multiplying 2 minus the root of 3 over 2 minus the root of 3. Then now we multiply this algebraically. So we're going to have 5 by 2, which is 10, and then 5 by negative root 3, which will become negative 5 the root of 3. And then now we have 2 root 3 times 2, which is basically the 4 the root of 3. And then you have plus 2 root 3 by root of 3. So that's going to be minus 2 root 3 by root 3, that is the root of 9. Boom. And then this is all going to be over 2 times 2, that is 4. 2 times the root of, that's just going to become negative 2 root 3. That will become positive 2 the root of 3, and then that's going to be minus the root of 9. So we've just basically multiplied everything. We've just simply multiplied everything out there. So now notice that these two will cancel because we've got negative 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3, so they'll cancel. So I think we can just simplify everything, so that will become 10 the minus 5 root 3 plus 4 root 3, and then negative 2 by the root of 9, but we know the root of 9 is 3, so that's going to become negative 6 over 4 minus the root of 3 over the root of 9, which is 3, and then we've got minus 5 root 3 plus 4 root 3, so that's just going to be minus, so we've got just negative 5 plus 4, which is negative 1, so that's minus the root of 3 minus 6, and then that's just going to be over 1, and then we know 1 into any number is, yeah, basically that number, and then we've got negative 6 and 10, which go to 4, and then, oh shit, my 4 isn't nice, and that my 4 looks ugly. Let me just change that. So that's going to be 4, and then that's going to be minus the root of 3, and then just like that we've rationalized that. Yeah, so that was how to basically rationalize. If you've enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.